Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if PayPal is verified or not. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the process is consistent of just making sure if you have any bank accounts or credit card that is linked to your account. Simply saying, all you need to do is just to go to your wallet, and from there, you will be needing to start linking cards or bank accounts to your account so they can be verified. Because if you have any bank accounts or some credit card that is linked to your account, that means that your account is verified and you're good to go to do some operations in uh, PayPal. And to link a card, all you need to do is just to come to the wallet and basically just click on the link card. And of course, this is just on uh, the web version. And for the mobile version, it will be something similar. You will need just to search for the wallet icon, and from there, or the bank icon, and from there, you will need just to link the bank account or credit card. So from here, I'm just going to click on link a card, and here you will be needing just to add your credentials. That means your number or your credit card number, your CVC or the CVE code, and all the other informations like your address, etc. etc. And after that, you will need just to wait for the process of having your payment method to be verified. And basically, that will mean if it's got verified, that will mean that also your account or your PayPal account is verified too. So another way to do it or to link your bank account or your credit card, you can just do it from the home menu. You will need just to click on add card or bank. And basically, you click on it and it will take you to the same page as before, and you will add just the credential. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.